My name's John Kane. I'm the owner of Advanced Environmental Services. We've been solving indoor air quality problems for about 22 years now. Your Crawlspace system really works. Other systems are just, you take their plastic and you cut it to the shape and you nail it in, so there's not really a system. It's like, because a lot of guys will see, they'll nail it and it'll be secured, holding in place, but the seal isn't good. When the glue is what's holding it to the wall, you know your guy's got the seal, because the seal's critical. Without the seal, you're just letting the moisture go up a different path. Once it dries, you have to literally, when you're trying to separate it, you'll rip the plastic, typically before you rip the seal. And unless you've got a gator or a bear under your crawl space, it's not gonna come free. I mean, the guys like it, it's easy training, and it just works. I mean, I do the before and the after testing, primarily for mold, so I can see the reduction and improvement in the air quality. Everybody's resistant to change, but once the guys had done it, and I got the results, which were better, now that's all the guys want to use. They don't want to have to, be wearing their goggles and protective gear, and I mean, it's pretty loud taking a Hilti gun with a 22 shot. Do 10 of them and you won't go back.